Alright, I'm finally getting around to this. I already have one of these. It's back over there, but this is the second one that I've got. This is an SC502, a 15 megahertz oscilloscope. And this came along with some other things that I bought, so it's basically a freebie. But let's turn it on. And this LED should come on, and it's not. That's not a good sign. But the the tube is glowing. I'm just not getting a spot. No spot. Though it might not be. Might be a lot broken with it. I don't know, but it does. The intensity doesn't seem to do anything. Focus doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, what was that? Trigger view doesn't do anything. Channel 2. Does that do anything? No. Auto. Single. No, I should be on auto. I don't know. Something doesn't seem right, so let's open it up, see if we see any, just something obvious. Well, here's the bottom. Everything looks pretty clean on the bottom. I don't see anything. That looks wrong there. Let's pull this cover off here. Let's look in here. And well, this is a little. That's a little loose there. What is that thing? That's a high voltage. Huh. That doesn't look right. But let's take a look at that. That's suspicious. It's definitely loose. Everything else? I don't see anything that looks terribly wrong. Alright, let's go on the other side. That's missing the cover on this side. Other than being very dusty on this side, since it was missing its cover. There's some fuses over here. I guess we could test those. That one's okay. That one's okay. Alright. Well, I don't see anything that looks bad on this either. There is a cover on the top that we can take off. But before we do that, I want to explain the situation on the front here. So the plastic on this one has basically come off, and this little thing here, which glues to the other piece here, that's come loose. So it could be that it took a drop, although, yeah, I would suspect that something smashed into it. This other knob here doesn't seem to be working correctly. It should have this cowl knob goes in and out, but it should have a stop, I think. Let me reach over to this other one up here. Yeah, it should have a stop on it, so that's not working correctly. That feels okay. Those feel okay. These seem to be okay. This is channel 1, channel 2, alt and chop, channel 1 plus minus channel 2. Okay, well, alright, let's take a look at this guy here first. Alright, another clue. These rails here are held in with some screws, and this particular screw has been sheared off. So the screw that used to go in there is gone, and the little locking push-pull Tektronix plastic tab thing is gone. So maybe it was taken apart once. But I want to take a look at this thing over here. This is loose. And this is the high voltage potentiometer cover. That doesn't mean it's bad, it's just loose. Does it turn? Yeah, it does turn. And underneath I have wires. It's not a PC board mount. Okay, I think this comes off. No, it does not come off. This might be fine. This might be fine. We're going to leave it alone for now. I think it's okay. Alright. Let's take this off. I think there's nothing under here if I remember right. But since we can take it off, we should take it off. Yeah, the rails have to come out before that comes out. And looking down in there, there's nothing really serviceable. It's just the CRT down in there. So I'm going to leave it on for a while so I don't lose the screws. We'll just put that back on. Alright. This side here, I need to dust. Okay, I think I'll take my compressor to it and blow it out. Alright, that's much better. 1976. 1976, 76. TV center, TV trace, stigmatism, geometry beam. Well, who knows if somebody's tweaked this or not, but we'll just have to assume they haven't. The thing that surprises me the most is the green LED didn't light up on the front panel. And that's on this side. See, the green LED power is here, and it is soldered to this board, and then this knob here doesn't do anything any longer. All right, let's see if I can tighten him. Let me see if it's this or this. Let me turn it with this. Yeah, it seems to be. I had to guess it's the knob that's doing something funny. Like it's turning on itself. Okay, I've got a bag of Tektronix knobs there. Let's see if we can find one that might be suitable just for this test. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Looks like it's almost the right thing. Not as pretty as the other one, but I just want to test the integrity of the locking mechanism. Let's tighten this one. Same thing. Like it spins. Okay, well, let's look at the coupling down here. Let's see if we can tighten it up. That might be it. This might be broken. Yeah, that one might be broken. Alright. Let's take him apart. Ah, yes, it's broke. It's a broke. Do I have a replacement of this? Maybe I do. Yeah, I do. All right. I've got spare parts. Always good to keep your spare parts. Here's one we can replace it with. Yeah. All right. We are in business. Let's put that back on. Throw that one away. It's broken. I'll put those over there for now. Okay. Now I need to put that coupler back on there. One side's big and one side's small. Put it on the big shaft here. Okay, and then the little shaft comes in. Oh yeah, that's gotta be nice. Perfect. So now when I rotate this thing, it just has that click stop on it. All right, so let's put our better knob back on, the one that was already on there. Okay, so it should be right about there. Cal. Okay. Perfect. That one works good, and this one works good. Why don't these match? Do they match on the other one? Yeah, they match on the other one, so this... Well, what about the... Ah, this one goes here. Yeah, this has been taken apart before. Alright. This knob here is the knob for the vertical. There we go. So, I need a knob that's a lot like one of those. A lot like this one here. They're all about the same. And now I need to clock him. Alright. I gotta put a new screw in here too. I put in an official Tektronix screw. How about that? That's nice. Happen to have one right here. Alright, that's fixed. Okay, now we need to clock this thing. So, all the way to this side. Alright, done. Back on the box. Okay, well, those are all sort of cosmetic. So now we need to figure out why doesn't it work. I think the first thing to do is I gotta check some voltages.